Time management. Master your minutes. Time is precious. Everyone gets the same 24 hours a day, not a second more. The secret of success lies in how wisely we use it. Once a moment passes, it never comes back. There is no rewind button in life, so make every second count. Time is more valuable than money because you can earn money again, but never time. Treasure it like your most precious possession. Good time management isn't magic. It is just smart planning. When you plan your day, you take control of your life. Build your day like a structure with 3 solid blocks: work, rest, and play. Balance makes life strong and steady. Don't postpone the toughest tasks. Face them head-on at the earliest. Prioritizing challenging tasks can boost productivity. If something takes less than 5 minutes, do it now. Small actions save you from big piles later. Every minute wasted on endless scrolling or gaming is stolen from your own success. Use time, don't lose it. Big dreams become real when you break them into tiny, easy steps. Progress grows one task at a time. Using a timer boosts focus and efficiency. It helps you make the most of your time and stay on track. Preparing early and planning ahead helps you stay organized. It gives you a clear roadmap and reduces last-minute stress. Time discipline today builds success tomorrow. It shapes you into a focused, dependable, and successful person. Stop wasting time. Start making moves. Every moment counts. Seize it and make it matter.